Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen POLO 1.0 door trendline. With just 5,900 kilometers on the clock, this sleek white hatchback is packed with features like Android Auto, cruise control, and multiple airbags for your safety. The interior boasts cup holders and a luxury trim for added comfort. With ABS, collision avoidance braking, and a tire pressure indicator, you can drive with peace of mind. Not to mention the full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty included. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.